It's time for another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Today's quiz is for beginner users. I'll ask you 5 questions, give you a few seconds to think about each one, then reveal the answer. Keep track of your score. We'll see how you did at the end. Are you ready? Here we go. Which Microsoft Access object is primarily used to store the actual data in the database? Is it a table, form, report, or query? That's an easy one. That's a table. Question 2. A customer can place many orders. What is the usual relational database design? Put order 1, order 2, and order 3 in fields on the customer table. Store each order as a separate record in an orders table. Create a separate customer table for each order. Or put all order details in one large notes field. That's going to be B. You store each order as a separate record in an orders table. Question 3. Why is it often better to store first name and last name in separate fields? A. Access requires all names to be split into 2 fields. B. It makes sorting, filtering, and personalized letters easier. C. It prevents 2 customers from having the same last name. Or D. It automatically creates a primary key. That's going to be B. It makes sorting, filtering, and personalized letters easier. You can say Dear Spock. Question 4. Which Access object is generally best for entering and viewing data on the screen? Would that be a table, form, report, or relationship? That's another easy one. That's a form. Remember, forms on the screen, reports to print out. And question 5, which Access object is generally designed for formatted printing, such as invoices or mailing labels? And that's going to be C, reports. I just told you that a second ago. Reports are for printouts, right? PDFs, all that kind of stuff. All right, how'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Did you become the doctor's favorite companion, or were you just stuck pressing every button on the TARDIS console and you had no idea where you were going? Well, if you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in my Access Beginner 1 class, Lesson 2, and it's absolutely free. So thanks for playing. Post your score in the comments, and until next time, live long and prosper.